It is the British summertime and we are in the Savill garden. Look how beautiful is Ayana. Nice. It's a New Zealand artist and it's quite unique. At least 80% of the plants occur nowhere else. So, the consequences of the island's long isolation.
Okay, now it's my turn. Which diverse mountains, landscapes, New Zealand's wild, range and habitats and
The glass house is shut, however, we can sneak in from the windows.
wait.
Excellent.
Hey guys, and please subscribe to my new channel which is coming up soon.
You don't need to tell people to subscribe. It's up to them.
To my new channel. Let's see the picture.
No, I'm not going to show you any pictures now. I'll show you later. This is very beautiful. We've only had 1 hour today. We didn't know that it closes at 5, but we have managed to use the time wisely and see the rose garden.